Hey, what's up, guys? Manufacturer sent me this stylus pen for free so I could try it out with my Remarkable 2 and let you know how it works. And I figured I'd just do a quick unboxing and then I'll also do an up-close look so you can see how it actually works. So kind of a first time use, so we'll figure it out and see how it works together. So here it is in the box up close. So just a simple sleeve, has the user manual. It comes with a couple of replacement tips. And then here's the pen itself. Looks and feels nice. You can see it has like a release button here to change the tips. And then, just to give you a quick demo of how it actually works. So let's see. You can see if you don't press down on it, it doesn't activate, so it won't write. So that's a good thing to help prevent mistakes. So just a little bit of pressure. You can see it does really well. It's getting all of the curves. It's keeping up with everything that I'm doing. So as far as I can tell, first impressions right now, it seems to function just the same as the pen that would come with the Remarkable. I don't really notice the difference. It keeps up. Some of the other brands and things that you could use, they might not be able to catch all the curves. That you might get gaps or spaces in whatever you're writing. So as far as what I can tell right now, it is a good product and it seems to work just like it's supposed to.